Hey boys and girls, and welcome to math. What we're going to be talking about today is using hundreds, tens, and ones to create three-digit numbers using standard and expanded form. This is important to help you find different ways to understand place value. So this number right here, 239. We're going to build it with base 10 blocks and then show you expanded form. So we have 100, 200, 3 tens, 9 ones. This is 239. We are familiar with base 10. Let's look at it in expanded form. This is standard. Standard is just written a normal number. Expanded form is when you pull it apart. So let's look at the number again. So 239, well, there's 200, there's 30, and 9. When you add it all together, in expanded form, you get the standard number, 239. Sometimes the problem will show you this first before it shows you in standard form. And it will ask you, well, what is it? Let's build it and find out. 760 and 4. And you add it all together. So this is the number right here in expanded. Say expanded form. You have 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you add it all together, you get 764. So this is what an expanded number and base 10 look like. You put it all together, 764. Add it together, you get 764. This is the standard. Say the word standard. This is expanded. Right here, this is expanded, and this is base 10. Let's look at the next example. 590. Here you have 500, 9 tens, 0 ones. This is 590. This is standard, the number written in standard form, base 10 form. Now, if you expanded it out, if you pulled it apart, you will have 500 plus 90. You could put plus 0, but this is expanded. Expand means you pull it apart. Base 10, you draw it. Standard, you write it normally. And this is all to help you figure out place value. So the number 778. This is what we're going to practice together. So in your math notebook or on a, let me get my ladybug out. In your math notebook, because I want to make sure that we get all this down. I have my problems that I've done here. So on this next clean page, I am going to put today's date. We have August 25th. Okay? So, and we're going to practice with the number 264. This is the number written in standard. I want you to write the word standard. I want you to write the word base 10. We're going to draw it. 200, 100, 200, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. And then expanded form would be 200 plus 60 plus 4. I want you to go ahead and write this down on the next clean page in your notebook so that way, and make sure you see it. I put 2 lines in between each example so that there's plenty of organized space, and when I come back to my notes later, if I can't remember, I have this for some help. Okay, we're going to do some problems together. So once you have done this, meet me back on Zoom for some practice together. See you back in a moment.